Hey guys, it's Kira here. Welcome back to the Subtl YouTube channel. It's a very exciting day for Subtl fans near and far because we finally have, drumroll please, a cool toned launch and I'm so excited. I have not tried them out yet. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and application. I already have my base on and I know this is something that Subtl fans have been asking for a very long time, so let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, what we have here is a Drift, which is an eyeshadow duo, and Pedal to the Metal, which is a lip and cheek. I'm just so excited to try these. First, let's go ahead and unbox Pedal to the Metal. Also, I love opening these from the bottom so that I don't ruin this pretty little packaging. Okay, so here she is. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, let's swatch it with the fingers first. Ooh, that is very cool toned. I love it. I'm gonna swatch it here. Gorgeous, I love. Now I love using the stippling brush for application. So just gonna dip in here to start. And just gonna stipple all around the cheeks. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm a huge Mauve in the Maldives fan. And I feel like this is a great replacement for that. Just like a little bit darker and more cool toned though. And then gonna apply just a little bit to the nose. Now I know there's some separation here. That's just like how my face shape is. This is where the BB powder comes in. I'm using the shade Fair 3N and I use this flat brush and this just really like marries everything together. Okay, and then I feel like we need a little bit more after applying the BB powder. Now we're opening the Drift eyeshadow duo. Okay, truly cool tone. I was a huge fan of the Bon Voyage eyeshadow duo and I feel like this is gonna kind of replace that, so I'm really excited. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the lighter shade and just gonna start in the crease. Oh, that is pigmented. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna buff that out a little bit. I'm still just using the lighter shade. I've been sticking with lighter. Okay, this is so nice. And if you have blue eyes, a cool toned eyeshadow duo is gonna make them pop. This is so pretty. I love this shade. And honestly, I really like the monochromatic look. And then maybe I'll just dip into the darker just like a little bit to see. Just add a little bit of dimension. This is definitely my new favorite. So pretty. And then sometimes I do like to add just a little bit of the dark underneath. Quick winged liner, some mascara. And lastly, let's do the lip and cheek with the little keychain brush. I like to start with kind of a lip liner and then fill in the outer corners. And I'm gonna top it off with the Undone lip glaze. This thing has seen better days, but it's a favorite for a reason. And there you have it. There is the final cool toned makeup line. So I'm a huge fan. Comment below, let me know if you'll be buying any of the shades from this launch, but I, for one, will definitely be adding these to my everyday stack. I will see you guys next time. Bye.